So we'll start today's topic, aggregate functions, built-in functions, right? In built-in functions, first one is aggregate function or group function. So we have a couple of few aggregate or group functions are there. Let's do one by one. Just do select star from EMP. Semicolon, run it. Okay. Now let's say you want to do the sum of the salary. The salary column is there. What is the total sum of this salary? Okay. So for that, what you can do? Select sum of salary. Sum within bracket sal from EMP. Semicolon. Okay. So this is the total salary, sum of the salary. That let's say you want to find the average. Enter. Select AVG. Select AVG. V for victory. From EMP. So we'll get the average salary. Now let's say count. Count means how many records are there in the salary column. So total 14 records are there. Okay. If you do a count of commission, count of COMM. So in count of commission, COMM. So you'll get 4 because here only 4 records are there, other are null. But what is the total record in the employee table? You can write select count star from EMP. Count within bracket star. So here you can get some intro question like what is the difference between count star and if you give some column name. Anyhow, in the employee table, 14 records are there. If you do star also, you will get 14 record. And if you give column name, you will also get 14 record provided there should not be any null value. So when you are doing the any column count of any column, then you'll come to know how many null columns are there in that particular column. Okay. Now max. Select max of salary. What is the maximum salary in that? You can find using max. Similarly, min. Max of salary. So maximum is 5,000. Okay. Now do select star from EMP once. So here, let's say department number, okay? Department number, we have 20, 30, 20, 30, 10 and all, right? Last column, yes. So if you want, what are the distinct department numbers are there, you can write select distinct department number from EMP. So it will give without the duplicates. From EMP semicolon. Distinct spelling INCT. Okay, so we have only department 30, 20 and 10. Suppose you want to do order by, then do order by 1. Order by 1. So you can give the column name, department number also, or you can give the position of the column, first, second, third, whichever this, that also you can give, or you can give order by department number. That we discussed in our previous class. Okay. So these are the what you can say, group functions or aggregate functions in our Oracle. Okay. Now I can save it. Next is string or character function. Second one is string or character function. Okay. You can write select ASCII ASCII within bracket, within single quote A from dual. Semicolon, run it. So if you want to find sometimes, let's say, any ASCII character of any string, so you can use ASCII, the string function. Okay. Now next, select concat within bracket, within single quote good, comma, within single quote morning from dual. So it will concat two strings, good, comma, morning. So concat is a string or character function from dual. So why we are taking dual? Because we are not using any table, just we are doing the some rough in our dummy table. So here in the concat, you can use only two parameters. Okay. Suppose you want to use more, you have to use pipe symbol. Enter, enter. Same thing you can write select. Don't write concat, just write good. Pipe symbol 2 times, and don't give bracket. Just write single quote good. Pipe. No comma, no comma. Just give pipe 2 times. Then morning from dual. Okay. Now suppose in between, if you want to give space, how to give? There again concat with the space. After concatenation, give single quote. No. After concat, give single quote space, again single quote, then pipe symbol. Yeah. So this pipe symbol you can concat like that. How many you want? You can just give pipe symbol, and you can concat the things. Run it. Okay. But in concat keyword, there you can use only two. So better to use this pipe symbol. Now select init cap INIT CAP. Within bracket, give some name. Within single quote, give some name. Within small letter all. Bracket close from dual. Semicolon. Run it. So init cap means initial letter, always it will convert into capital letter. Init cap. Similarly, upper and lower. Same thing. Upper and lower. So it will convert to uppercase and lowercase. So whatever the programming language, Python or some C, whatever. So there are this upper, lower, all these built-in functions are all everywhere it is there. But difference is the syntax, maybe some keyword, the difference will be there. Otherwise, the same concept. Now length, length. Suppose you want to find the length of the string, you can find select from dual. Okay, so you can find the length of the string. Now next is select lpad. Select lpad. Within bracket, single quote, give some name, comma, 10, comma, star. From dual, star within the quote. So here lpad means left side it will pad. Pad means it will add star. Let's say total is 3. Now what will happen? The rest 4 it will add as a star. Like that rpad. Now next is select ltrim. Within bracket write something. Some string. comma, no, after that give comma, string, then comma, write D within single quote D, capital D, capital D. Run it. So trim means it will trim. So left side, what you want to trim, you can write it. So basically, if there is a space, so we can use for L-trim, R-trim, for basically use for space removal. Sometimes space will be there. So R-trim means right side, you can write G, because right side D is not there. Suppose you want to trim the space, okay? Select, give some string within single quote. Okay, both side give some space, no? Before M, give some space. After G, no. In morning, before M, give some space, 3-4 space. After G also give some. Now, comma, trim, within bracket, copy that same thing, that single quote morning. Copy that only till copy and paste it. Bracket close from dual. So if you see here, there is a space, okay? So it will trim the space from the both side. So sometimes in our data, space or some character will come, so we have to clean the data. So data cleansing, proper data we need. To analyze something, you need a proper data. Because if you search morning, it won't come, because in the morning there is a space, so it won't match. So sometimes it will miss that data. So in that case, you can use all this thing to cleansing for the data. Now, next one is select substring, SUB str, SUB str, no ing. Within bracket, give some string, comma 1, 3. No, don't give that before one, that single quote. From dual. Okay. So what will happen? Substring means it will cut, like starting to 3 character. Okay. 1, 3 means starting to 3 character. So if you do 2, 3, what will get? If you give 2, 3, what will get? And do it. Okay. So here second to again 3 character.
Okay.
Second to it will count 3 character. Okay. Okay. Now INSTR. Select in string. In string means INSTR. Within bracket, let's say give good morning. Comma within no comma comma within single cut O comma 1 from dwell semicolon. Run it. So in string means what it will give? It will give the position of the O. Okay. So what is the position of O? And 1 means it will start searching from the beginning. And the other one is where he will find the first occurrence. It will start searching from the first, and other one is the first occurrence. Okay. Now again write the same thing. But give 1, 3. Okay, so it will start from the beginning, and what is the third occurrence of the O. Clear? Now again copy and paste. Give 2, 3. Now give 3, 3. Okay, why it is giving 0? Because it is starting for the third one. 1, 2, 3. So the second O it is starting, that is the third position. After that it will count. This is the first, this is the second. There is no third O. Okay. You clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is nothing but your in string. Now next is replace. Now go there, select. No, still it is there. Select, replace, write the string good morning. Replace the morning with afternoon. Good morning. Okay, morning, comma, morning, comma, afternoon, comma, morning. So from the good morning, replace morning with afternoon. From dwell. Okay, so it will do the replace. So this all that we did, that is for we did for dwell. Okay, now let's do some in our actual table. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, now here suppose you want to use those this one, any of this. So how to use? let's say for example, you want to concat. How to concat here in the table? Select name and job. Let's say I want to concat. Okay. So select ename concat job. Concat means pipe. Job from EMP. Semicolon. Okay. So like this, all these built-in functions you can use in your actual table. Okay. I'll give you, going forward, I'll give you some assignments so that it will be hands-on to you. So we have done from the dual, but the same thing you can do using your this one. Okay. So now we'll do the next one in our next session.